Yatharth, I have given you the access?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children. So today, what we are going to study is light. And as we have just discussed, light is essential in two reasons. Two ways. One,
Ma'am,
any
so
source of
succinct.
light, any external source of. Can you name me some external sources of light quickly?
Ma'am, sun.
Ma'am, sun.
One source of light.
Ma'am,
Sun,
torch.
very good.
Ma'am, torch.
Light,
Ma'am, I
Torch.
Ma'am,
am.
candle.
Ma'am,
Candle. Ma'am, candle.
Okay.
Ma'am, candle, torch.
Right, children. I have muted you all. We have all the answers correct. Candles, torches, sunlight, bulbs, CFL. Like if you see here, this is a bulb and that's a tube light. So all these are the sources of light. The things which have their own light are known as illuminate object. All these have their own light, so they are known as illuminate objects. ये अपनी light दूसरों को देते हैं, right? So after this, there are certain objects which don't have their light. Do I have my light? Do I have my light? No, but still you are able to see me. Why? That is what we are going to study today, right? So we are going to start with a small activity. So children, here we go. I'm going to switch off my light. Watch it carefully what I'm doing, and you also can follow if you are sitting in a dark room. You have to draw the curtains, make your room a little darker if you want to enjoy it, right? So just have a look here what I'm going to show you right now. Here, can you see this? Now just have a look at it. I have muted you all. Yes, I can read your chat messages. Just see. Just see. Why am I able to show you here? This is a torch in my hand. And here, yes, very good, Gupesh, Yatharth, very well done, children. I can see you all doing it. So what is happening here? Just see. What is this? What is this? Very good. That's it, dear. Okay, it's a shadow. Yes. This is a shadow. So why is this shadow made? And how is this shadow made? Just have a look. Look at it. Yes, many children are doing it. So why? This is the source of light, and here we have the shadow. Now, one more thing, this light is traveling in a single direction. This is known as the rectilinear movement. What is it? Rectilinear. Okay? Yes, children. So this was all about why do some things allow to pass light energy and why some don't. Like, let us do one more thing. This is my register. This is my register. This is another sheet. And this is the third sheet. I have three different items with me. So what I'm going to do is, in this class, we are going to off the lights and I will share it with you again so that you understand the difference. That why does light passes from one? If I'll keep this on, you may not be able to see. Very good, Ashvika. So that's what we are going to plan. Why Ashvika is doing with me, Manoj is doing with me. So I would like to unmute some children. Ashvika, unmute yourself, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Unmute yourself. Good afternoon. Manoj, unmute yourself. And
Good
please
afternoon,
speak.
miss.
when you are asked to. Rihanna, Rihanna and Vaibhav. And if there is some disturbance at your end, you can simply mute your mic. Okay?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Vaibhav, please
Okay,
raise your hand, beta. Okay, Iti, you are also on mute. Yes, Vaibhav, Vahi is also on mute. You're all on mute. If there is some disturbance, you can just hold your mic. Very good, Rihanna. Very nice, beta. Very well done. So here we are going to describe the thing again. Just see. I'm making it dark. And now, when I'm using my torch, and it passes through this, is the shadow dark or formed well?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's light.
Ma'am,
It's
it's very
light.
light in color.
No, it's almost not there, but if you see, I have this paper in my hand, but the shadow is not formed well. If I take this mask, this is a mask. But if disposable mask, if I keep it like this, just have a look at the shadow.
Ma'am, it's
How
light in
light is
color.
the shadow? Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
It allows some light to pass. Whereas, if I hold my register, it is blocking the light. You can see this whole beam of light here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not allowing light to pass. There is nothing on the wall. Here, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
see, if I put it on this transparent sheet, I can see the light behind on the wall. But if I put it here on my register, I'm not able to see. It means some objects allow light to pass through them. Some objects don't allow light to pass through them. Got it, children? So when something,
Ma'am, when an
when some
object
object,
come in between the source of form shadow.
yes, when something allows
Ma'am,
light to pass through it, what happens? That is
Ma'am,
known
your
as
voice is
I'm
not
transparent.
audible.
transparent. That is called as transparent. When it
Object.
doesn't allow, that
It is
becomes
opaque.
opaque.
Okay,
This we
object.
have studied already. Very good.
Opaque.
So now,
Yes, ma'am.
depending upon the things, we know how shadows are formed. That is why, children, when early in the
Ma'am,
morning,
your voice
when
is
sun
not
is up,
audible.
who is
You
this,
are
Vahi?
mute, ma'am.
Beta, check your connections. My
Yes,
voice is
ma'am,
clear.
your voice is not clear.
Beta, you have to check your connections. I'm audible to all others. They're asking me. Yes, Yatharth,
Hello,
ask
ma'am.
me a question.
Ma'am, I want to know that this binding sheet, ma'am, is it transparent or translucent?
Which binding sheet?
Ma'am, used to bind the books.
This is slightly translucent, beta. It is hazy. It's not clear. Whereas this paper, if I show you, just see. This is my binding sheet
Yes, ma'am.
and this is the clear paper. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it depends. Clarity depends. Like your glasses, the glasses which you wear. What is that glass? That glass is कांच का glass जिसमें चाय पीते हैं. Transparent. Yes.
Transparent.
Whereas in some cases we may find it translucent. I'll just show you some more examples of it. But before that, we need to understand the movement of light. Light always travel in a straight line. Okay? Let me just show you some more examples before I do the activity. Here, if you see, this is my door. Can you see anything across it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
This is a
opaque.
wooden door. So this is opaque, right?
Ma'am, it is opaque object.
Opaque.
Yes, but here if I show you, this is my window. Can you see something outside?
Ma'am, little bit not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, translucent.
It's ma'am translucent.
It is translucent.
Yes. This is,
Translucent.
just see my hand, translucent.
Translucent.
Yes. Now have a look at this one.
And this is
Ma'am, we
transparent.
can
Can you
see
see
clearly.
outside?
And this is transparent.
Yes. This window pane, this is trans.
Parent.
You can even see the lines of my hand. Isn't it,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So likewise, all of you just do it quickly. Get some things which you feel at your home are transparent, translucent, and opaque. At least one example. Quickly search for it. Not the same which I have shown you. Something else. Yes, specs. Yatharth, correct. Your specs is transparent. Manoj, can you get me something? The curtain behind you, Manoj.
Ma'am, copy. Ma'am, it's
The curtain behind you, Manoj. What is that?
Plug is in the next.
Ma'am, it's also transparent. Opaque. Ma'am, candle.
Ma'am, the phone is opaque.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Miss of voice, no trouble.
And translucent.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
ma'am has got disconnected.
Transparent. Opaque. Where did it like? No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, sir. Okay, very good. So
Ma'am,
we can see lots of activities brought here.
ma'am, candle is also ma'am opaque.
Yes, actually.
Ma'am,
Yes. Art has got opaque object. Very good.
ma'am, this is
Ma'am, I have
transparent.
Yes,
got
Rishita,
transparent.
that's right. But
Ma'am, this is
very
transparent.
good.
Ma'am, I have got transparent. Ma'am, this plate is transparent.
Okay, yes, Vaibhav, I can see it.
Ma'am, glass bulb is also transparent.
Very good, Vaibhav. Very nice. Yes.
And this is also.
Excellent. So now we are going to perform the last activity. Arya Yadav is ready for it. Yes, Arya, I can see your candle on. We'll have to lit the candle, children. Let's do it. I'm again going to make it a dark room. Camera here. Have a look. This is my setup. This is the candle which I have brought to you all. And I'm going to lit the candle. Yes, you all can light your candle quickly. Hurry up. And then I'm going to show you something.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, after lighting your candle, do one thing. Here is the paper. Make a roll. Roll it. Come on, come on, come on. Roll it. Roll it. And make a pipe-like structure like this. Make a pipe-like structure. And you have to see through it. All of you have to see through it. Okay? If the light is off and you have to see through it,
Ma'am, we can see the
you
light.
need to see. You'll have to see through it. We are experimenting
I'm able to see
that
the light.
light travels in a single line. Yes. If you can see it through it, that's what you have to do. If you do it practically, you will be able to understand it better. Because if I'll bend it, if I will bend it, will you be able to see?
No, ma'am.
Because light travels in a single straight line. Okay, now let me show you this. Can you see the light? You'll have to practice it yourself, otherwise it will be difficult to show it online. Can you see it inside within this?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, little bit. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we can see.
So you'll have to practice it yourself. You will have to practice it yourself because here it will be slightly difficult for me to show you.
Ma'am,
And now can you see it?
ma'am, what should be a difference? Ma'am, what should be a distance between both?
See the candle. So now I just will show you here. You will have to see.
Ma'am,
You can take a CD for it.
ma'am, voice is stopping in between.
You can take a CD for it if you have. You can make a hole in a cardboard to do this activity, and you will have to place them one after another. You have to place it like this. Only then we can practically do it. Okay?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
This will show that light travels in a straight line. Like if it's like light travels in a straight line. So that this candle will be shown there to you with the help of this pipe. If you will bend it, you will not be able to see it. So this candle, you have to see this portion of candle. The flame of the candle. Right, Tejal? Give me a thumbs up if you can see it.
I'm able to see the flame of candle. Ma'am, through the CDs.
Yes, beta, there is some problem maybe.
Ma'am?
Okay, so this is what is light. Now, why does light behave in this manner? अब हमें ये समझना है कि when light falls on some surface, when ray of light falls on some surface, it reflects back. Very good, Fahim. Very nice, children. I can see you all performing it. Well done, Iti. Beautiful. Yatharth, if you can zoom into all other screen, please. Yatharth, just scroll and record everybody.
Yes.
Just watch Iti. She's doing it beautifully. Vaibhav, Fahim is also trying to do it. Show everybody here on the video, then we will share the link in the group. Excellent, beta. Thank you so much for your support. I really love you all when you perform these activities.
Ma'am? Ma'am, we have to
Okay.
keep like
Yes,
this.
Yatharth. Yes, 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 yes. From the hole. It
Yes.
is doing it perfectly. Okay, dear. So what is the phenomenon behind it? That's what we need to understand. Fine, be careful, beta. Be careful.
Ma'am, that light
When
was
a light, okay,
straight line.
can you see some reflection here? Just watch it carefully. Sejal, can you see yourself? Manoj, Yeah, the reflection on this.
No, ma'am.
Or I'll show you this side.
Ma'am, your video is not visible.
No?
Ma'am, it's not visible.
Just turn it up.
Ma'am,
Scroll it.
it stopped. Ma'am, other
Scroll
videos are
down
visible.
there. Okay, just come back to my screen, Mira.
No.
Come back to my screen. Or double pit.
Ma'am, other videos are visible only.
Am I
Your
there?
video stopped. Ma'am, other
Now
videos
try
are...
the reflection. You just scroll all of them, beta. Now am I there? Okay, what can I do now then? Okay, I'll just talk about something else then, no problems. This will discuss tomorrow. Reflection of light is another term which we are going to discuss. Okay, all of you blow off your candles, please. It should not happen that you burn yourself. Activity is done. Please blow off the candles. Happy birthday, Fahim. Come on. Blow off the candle. Right. So, children, reflection of light is another thing which we are going to talk about now. So, reflection way, what happens? In reflection, when we discuss, reflection talks about that light travels in a straight line. So when it falls on an object, it is turned back. It is reflected back.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, it's...
So now this is the reflection what I was talking about. That when light falls on an opaque object, it hits back to the source of light. So we are discussing about ray of reflection and ray of incidence. Okay, so these are the two terms which we will be talking about, and we are going to draw the diagram for it so that we can
Ma'am, you are muted.
can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are
So
visible. Ma'am, we can hear you now.
okay, so we are discussing. Okay, so here is the topic which we are discussing right now, this one. So tomorrow, I want you all to get your scales. What are the things that you should have tomorrow? Scales, pencils, a plain paper, scale, pencil, and a plain paper, so that we can draw this reflection.
Ma'am?
Yes, drawing sheet is okay.
Ma'am, drawing sheet will be fine.
Yes, better. The drawing sheet is perfectly okay.
Okay.
Drawing sheet is perfectly okay. Right. So all these things, what I'm going to do is,
Is facing activity issues.
it reads, where does it reach?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Can't hear you.
Yes, I don't know. There is but the Wi-Fi is not supporting. But it's okay. We have our topic. So I hope you all can get it done. All of you will get these things tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm all. I'm all. Unmute yourself, please.